it's your girl Devonna Nicole. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am here with a unbagging of my IPSY Glam bag for the month of December the 24th. So here's my Glam bag here. We're going to get right into this thing. If you're not familiar, this is a monthly subscription. It comes with deluxe samples, and sometimes they give you like one full-size product. But generally you get like 5 things in here, and they're deluxe samples of, it could be makeup and or skincare items or makeup tools sometimes. So this is a $14 a month subscription plus $1.99 shipping and handling plus tax. So now that we got all that out the way, let's see what our bag looks like this month. So this is our little cutie bag they sent for the month of December. Isn't that cute? And I do feel something else loose in here, so I'm gonna pull that out. So we're out of our bag. So this is our little cutie bag of the month here. So let's go ahead and see what's in. And I believe my card is inside. So they do give you a little card. So this one, it says unwrap the joy. So you got a little present. And this season we want you to find the joy in small moments and feel wonder at this every turn. So we are hooking you up with delightful surprises and beauty galore to ensure the holidays shine as bright as you, and glittery eyeshadow. Okay, so inside we have our items that are inside of our bag this month. So we'll just get right into this thing, right? So the first item I pull out, we have the lipstick pill, and this is very tiny. I think I like these tiny ones though, for when you have like a little mini bag and you're trying to get all your little stuff in this little tiny bag. Little items like this come in perfect. So we have the lipstick pill, and this is made by Sophia and Mabel. The color is in Wealth, and it is a long wear lippy that leaves your pout without any dryness. So that's what this one is. This is a deluxe sample. The regular size is $14. So let's get in here somewhere. I almost don't want to open it. What is the color? I don't know. This is like a weird color. Yeah, it look like a weird color. Let me see if my phone has a better. I don't even feel like pulling the plastic on this one, to be honest with you. Because if I don't like the color, yeah, it'd be like a lost cause. It looks more like a sienna kind of color to me. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like that color at all. So I don't know. I'm not interested in really opening it up. I don't know about that color on me. Let's go to the next item. The next thing we have a Glow Recipe product here. This is the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. I do like this. This is like one of my favorite little serums here. So this is a watermelon infused brightness boosting serum. And it gives you that lit from within glow that you've always wanted. This is a deluxe sample. It is regularly valued at $35 for the regular size of this product. This product is hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it to help with moisture, plumping the skin and evening the skin out. So yeah, we have a small sample of that. So these are also good for like when you travel too. But yeah, you get a lot of small little samples. So the next thing we have is All Moringa. Let's see what this product is. This is All Moringa Moisturizing Face Cream. Oh, it's a face cream. So it says, meet your skin's new BFF. This dreamy jasmine scented cream is feather light and leaves skin velvety soft, nourished and renewed. It's packed with antioxidants as well as anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties that from the moringa oil. So this is regularly valued at $89 for a full size. I've never heard of this before. If you guys have heard of it and used this product, let me know. I've never heard of this one. This is like a completely new product to me, but this is a deluxe sample that we have for that product. So the next item we have a BYOD eyeshadow wand and rose gold rush. This is a full-size product that we received, and it says unleash your inner artist with this rose gold wand, eyeshadow wand, aka the ultimate tool for effortless glam. So it says it's a creamy blendable texture that twists open design. This is a no fuss eyeshadow, goes on like a dream and stays all day without any fallout. Okay, let's take it out of the thing here and check her out. So it's an eyeshadow wand. Oh, okay. I'm trying to get it so you guys can kind of see a bit. I hope that helps. But we'll do a quick swatch with this color. Oh, that's nice. So that is that color there. That's nice. It's really like a rose gold, I would say. And it seems to, it went on with no problem. I wasn't forcing it. It was kind of creamy to go on. So that's good. So this again was a full-size product by BYOB, and this is the eyeshadow wand and rose gold rush. And this is valued at $22 for its in this regular size here. So this is a $22 product. And then we have our very last item here, which is EVO Skin. I want to say we did get something from them before, but I'm trying to remember what it was. So this is EVO Beauty Pink Perspective Deep Puff Hydrogel Eye Therapy. That is a long behind name. Why is the name so long? Oh, geez. So this is a deluxe sample. The regular size product is going to have 6 count and it be valued at $18. So this one here, basically it says say goodbye to puffiness, visible lines and wrinkles with this soothing eye patch, and packed with hyaluronic acid and collagen to help keep your skin bouncy, hydrated and smooth. They feel like a refreshing drink to your tired under eyes. It says wear them for about 20 to 30 minutes and then pat in all the remaining essence. So I'm just going to open it so we can kind of see what it looks like outside of the box. So these are the eye packs. We got 3 of them in here. Just 3? Yeah, just 3. 3 of the eye packs to try out. Under eye patches to try out, rather. So in review, we have 5 products. We have our under eye patches here by EVO Beauty. We have all Moringa moisturizing face cream. We have BYOB eyeshadow wand and rose gold rush. We have the Glow Recipe watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrop serum, and we have the last product here, which is our Sophia and Mabel Pill lipstick in the color Wealth. So that is our bag for the month of December, and we got this little cute little baggie here that looks like a present, which is awesome. So that is our bag for the month, which I think is great. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This will be my last glam bag. I'm getting a little overloaded with a lot of these little small items, and I really don't need it, so I'm just going to cut this one from one of the bags that I receive every month. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video and you like getting these, I think these is a great way to try out products, or if you're just getting familiar with beauty, this is a good way to not make a big investment, but you get to try out a lot of different products and enjoy it. But for me, I'm kind of a little bit over full, and I have too much, so I'm just gonna put this one on pause for a while. But guys, I will be coming to you with my regular content, but yeah, this one is going to go. This is going to be X'd off the list. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy your holidays, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post.